All correct. Understand? Attention. Report. Lance. For all correct. It's ready. Carry on. Carry on.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, senior. Before having our lunch, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina adzabannar. In the name of Allah, the All Merciful. Ya Allah, please bless our food. Hopefully, it can give the goodness and energy for our daily activities. Ya Allah, our mighty God, please forgive us and bless all of us.